So your jeans have a hole in them. You want to get them fixed. You want to know what the best way to fix your jeans is. To answer that question, we are here at Soldier Blue. I'm Nick, by the way, from Stridewise.com. We kind of look at like nice boots and high-end casual wear. And I'm here with David from Son of a Stag, like the sister company of Soldier Blue. Soldier Blue is a denim repair shop, which really specializes like very kind of exclusively on denim and like a more old-fashioned denim, like selvage denim as well. But the stuff we're gonna say in today's video can apply to basically any pair of jeans, right?
The thing that we sort of specialize in here is the machinery. So the boss has gone all over the world and collected these machines which each do a singular job. The machine of choice is the Singer 47W70, which is this one right here. It's a darning machine, and basically, for our money, this is the best way to repair jeans authentically and the most durable way to do it.
If I go to my local tailor who doesn't have all these machines, what are they likely to do if I say, can you fix this hole in my jeans?
What they're likely to do is, and not always, but they're likely to use more of like a modern version sewing machine like this one here, and just use the reverse option to go backwards and forwards over it, but it doesn't allow for that dexterity in a repair. So yes, it might cover the hole, but with this we can, you know, match the threads perfectly and really control the stitch length. And it's all to do with hand control, really. Okay, so that means if you can match the threads and everything, that means it'll be less glaring of a fix, aesthetically speaking, and also it'll be more durable as well. Yeah, exactly, because it's comfort as well, really. A lot of people will go and just sew a piece of denim underneath where there's a hole, but that's not going to feel great. What is darning? We've already said darning. What is it? That's like seems to be the most common. Unless you're putting a patch over a hole, darning is how people tend to repair jeans. What is that? It's the way that the foot works on the sewing machine. So it's not dragging the material around, which basically means that your hand is what controls the motion. So essentially, what you're doing is you're colouring in the area with thread. So it's more like a, well, I wouldn't say artistic way of doing it, but you have a lot. You can put a lot more personality into every repair that you do, which I think is important. So you want a dedicated darning machine as opposed to a sewing machine with a darning attachment. Exactly. There it is. That's the thing you want to look for. Okay, let's look at us darning so people can see what it looks like. So this particular customer wants a knee repair putting in, which is this area here. Okay. And to do that, we're going to have to open the legs up to get good access. But the beauty of this machine is, this gentleman wants the crotch doing, and I can just put it right in there. So this is the area that this has been done before. So this is what it looks like when darning is done with a darning machine. Yeah, exactly. So this customer's been into us before. You can't even tell that there was a hole there. That's the beauty of this machine. You really just get so much control. I've seen darning before, not a lot of it, but I've been to a place where they've done darning, but it looks, you know, it looks like a hole that's been like thatched over. Like a checkboard or something? Yeah. Which is fine. You know, I mean, you don't have to be a perfectionist with jeans. Like the point is they get beat up. But this is you can't tell there was a hole there. That's exactly what we want. We want to go for as invisible as possible for the customer. Okay, so this is a sign of like how great darning can be as a result of this machine. Now he's sending in because he needs additional repairs on these new kind of wounds here. Yeah, exactly. All right, okay, so this is the darning. This is what we're fixing. Okay. This area here, yeah. And exactly. That's it. Exactly. So he's come in about 6 months ago, had these repaired. He's obviously worn them a lot in that time. This is Japan blue, right? Yeah. Nice. All right, so this is the finished product. We haven't been doing this bit. We're just talking about this bit here, which, as you can see, it looks just like a slightly worn pair of jeans, but it definitely doesn't have those kind of rips or proto-rips that were in there before. What exactly happened here? What was the machine doing? It was just darning over the worn out area there, and we've used a slightly lighter colour because to bring out the greys of the jean as that's faded. And that's another thing that we try and be very careful of, to make sure that the colours match perfectly, but also to think about how they're going to look in 6 months to a year's time, you know. So we wouldn't want to use anything too dark on this pair because they're going to get lighter. So yeah, opted with a grey here to try and blend that in nicely, and as you can see, it's taking care of that problem for this customer.
How long did it take you to learn how to do this?
I've been doing this for 7 years now. So.
And how long until you could do it like this? Is this an easy skill to learn? Is it a learnable skill rather for the average person?
It's a learnable skill, definitely. But it's, I always say, like, because I've trained people up in here before, and part of it is to have a passion for the denim, like an understanding of the way that denim works and the way that it fades and the way that it moves and the way that it wears out. Like, you could have anyone color in a hole, like a circle on a piece of paper, but it's using the right colors and with the right sort of pressure and that kind of thing.
All right, well, there you have it. The best way to fix your jeans is by darning. The best way to do it is with a dedicated darning machine. And the best darning machine is the Singer 47W7, or if you happen to get your hands on one. Soldier Blue is the place in London if you are nearby, or if you're flying in sometime, want to get your jeans repaired as best as they can. But yeah, hopefully that proved a useful tutorial on just the very concept of darning itself that you might be able to get anywhere you are next time you get a hole in your jeans. So thanks very much, David. Thanks for showing us. Yeah,
my pleasure.
All right. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe. And I got a link below for Soldier Blue and Son of a Stag, the sister company, if you want to check those out as well. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.